welcome to my kitchen. I'm Nikki, and it is almost Halloween, which means it is almost a holiday, which means it is my time to shine. I absolutely love getting ready for holidays, decorating, cooking, getting into theme. So if you need some last minute Halloween ideas, I've got you. So it's about 10 hours before the event tonight, so I figured the first and easiest one to kind of prep for later would be our mummy jalapeno poppers. So I'm gonna wear gloves because I'm working with makeup later and I'm gonna be touching my eyes, so I do not wanna get them hot and spicy from the jalapenos. So first thing that we're gonna do is prep the jalapenos. When prepping them, you basically just want to cut off the end here, slice down the middle, like so. So then with a small spoon, just get all that junk out. Put all my seeds in. One complete. The next step you want to do is start with your cream cheese and add that to a mixer that you have, or if you don't have a mixer, totally fine. You could even whisk it with a fork if you needed to, or any type of whisk. It is a little bit tougher of a mixture. That's the only reason why I like to use an actual KitchenAid. You're gonna put it on just like a low speed. And when doing this, you want it on a low speed because it just really softens it up because it was just in the fridge, so. Make sure to wipe down the edges just to blend everything a little bit better. And then following in, add some cheddar cheese. I didn't really calculate exactly how much I added in there, but who doesn't love a little cheese? I'm going to lay them all on top of each other like this. A reminder that bacon gets smaller when it cooks, so it doesn't have to be too thin of strips. It is that time. So you take one of your little jalapenos. I am just going to get it neatly on the inside, like so. Actually, you know what would be easier? Following it through, like this. All right, you want to leave some space for the eyes. Like that. Little eyes. How cute are these? Since I'm going to be taking the vegetables separate and then arranging them when I get to the party, I'm just gonna prep all the veggies first. So the key to cutting a cauliflower is to remove the leaves, and then you can even cut around the stalk and the leaves just fall out. So then you can take the stalk off like that. Finish it out with a paring knife, and then just really get into the root. So you're gonna take one of these little pumpkins and then put a little dollop in the middle. Leave enough of the outside corner, and then with either a brush or your finger, and then plop this guy right on top. Ta-da! If you want to be extra, which I always do, I took red and yellow food coloring to make orange, add Parmesan cheese to it, so once these pumpkins bake, they'll have a nice little orange Parmesan on top. No video is complete without cocktail time. Using corn syrup and red food dye, I made the blood-looking topper. Add raspberry, a little bit of water, corn syrup. Using soda water, or if you have a soda stream. I think champagne flutes look the best for this look, so that's what I used. Get a good helping on there because you want it to drip down the sides. So into the shaker, we have ice already. We're gonna put in that mixture we already created. Vodka of your choice. top it off.